In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide photos and videos on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then just search for a photo or video you would like to hide. If you want to hide one single photo or video, just long press on it and then tap Hide and Hide Photo. The same about video, long press on a video, tap it Hide and then Hide Video. What that will do, that will hide that images from your main photo library. However, you can easily find that images in hidden album. Later in this video I'm gonna show you where we can find it. However, now let me show you how we can easily hide multiple photos and videos at once. To do that, tap at Select. Then select photos and videos you would like to hide. After that, tap at this button, tap at Hide, and then Hide again. Also, we are able to hide photo or video from here. If we open up a photo or video, we'll be able to tap at three dots, then Hide and Hide again. Now let me show you how we can easily find all hidden photos and videos. To do that, head over to Albums and then scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find Hidden Album. If we tap on it, we'll be able to get access to all our hidden photos and videos. If you would like to unhide some picture, just long press on it and then tap at Unhide. That will immediately unhide it, so you will be able to find it in your main camera roll. To unhide multiple photos and videos, select them and then tap at Unhide. If you would like to make the hidden album more private and secure, you can lock it with Face ID. To do that, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Photos, and that's where we can turn on the option which is called Use Face ID. If we go back to Photos, we can see that lock icons next to hidden and recently deleted albums, which means that now Face ID is required to get access to both of them. As you can see, now I can get access to hidden album only with my face, so that may help you to make that album as secure as possible. However, we can hide this hidden album even from here. To do that, head over back to the same menu in Settings, and that's where we can turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album. As you can see, now hidden album is no longer showing here. However, it still exists and we are able to hide photos and videos from our main camera roll in the same way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.